What's up, YouTube? Today we are talking about new versus used hot tubs. Welcome to Goliath DIY. Today we're going to go through what's best for you, what's best for your budget, what's best for your timeline. New versus used hot tubs. Buying a new hot tub. Obviously you get a beautiful brand new hot tub with a warranty, maybe a limited warranty, but they're expensive. $15,000 to $25,000 for a tub, especially in this pandemic. What I'm being told right now is wait times 8 to 15 months. That's insane. You want it right now. You'll find a good deal, but you know nothing about hot tubs. Just like me. I knew nothing about hot tubs. I knew nothing about repairing hot tubs, costs, everything else. So I'm gonna walk you through today what we decided to do and what our costs are. Please subscribe to this channel. We make this content for you. So if you find this valuable, leave comments below, smash that like button, and we'll continue to make videos like this for you. So, was it worth it? We ended up buying a used hot tub. We're gonna walk you through the whole process of what we needed to do to it, how we figured out what was wrong with it, who we hired to fix it, and how we set it up. At the end of this video, I'm gonna tally up all the costs to figure out, is a used hot tub worth it? Make sure you comment below. We're very interested in your comments. Maybe we could have done it better. Maybe we could have done it cheaper. Maybe you're inspired by us doing this and you want to do it too. That's fantastic. Please comment below. I purchased this tub off of a nice guy. He was very honest. He had the hot tub filled up. He had it running and he wanted to show me where the leaks were. So that was great. I got to mark out where the leaks were and everything else. I decided to buy the tub. We hired some hot tub movers because of the location. It was very hard to access it and get it in and out. I've never moved a hot tub before. So we hired a hot tub mover. I think he charged us $300 and brought it from that location to my garage. So we got it into my garage. It ended up sitting here for a few months before I had time to touch it and fix it. But what I did was I reached out and found a hot tub repair guy that was willing to come out here and take a good look at the hot tub. So he came out, we filled it with well water. I rented a genset, we powered it up, then we could find where the leaks were when it was under pressure. It was imperative that we did that inside because it's so cold outside right now. We wanted to make sure that when we did set it outside, that we weren't screwing around with it. We filled it up in the garage that night. The kids could not resist it. They had to be in it. They were not taking no for an answer. So we let them in it, test drive it, try it out, splash around, see where the leaks are. Yeah, hop in. Bernie came the next day, our hot tub repair guy. We ran it for him. He figured out where all the leaks were and he got to work. He fixed it. We were very confident with it. We had no problems. And then I decided to go a little step further and start insulating and all sorts of things. So watch this video, watch it till the end, subscribe, and we're gonna show you the cost at the end of this video if this used hot tub was worth it. This is Bernie from Bernie's Hot Tub Repair Installations.
That's right, Bernie's Hot Tubs, 30 years.
30 years, he's done a great job. I actually found him on the internet, saw a couple YouTube videos of him. If you're in the Edmonton area, please use him, he's fantastic. Bernie?
We paid for this, $2,500?
Paid $2,500 for the tub.
Okay, and then the repairs with the new pump now, I think we're into it for a little more than $1,000. Now this particular tub, brand new, is going to be at least $20,000. So he did very well with this. It's in mint shape. It's kind of the way to go. So, obviously, if you got $3,000, $4,000, $4,000, $5,000 into it now, and brand new is $20,000, $25,000, this is the way to go.
So awesome deal. I think we're into it for about $3,750 total right now. It's a beautiful tub. It's an 8-foot by 8-foot Dynasty with lots of jets. It's got the waterfall, stereo speakers, lights.
Lights in every jet.
Lights in every single jet, yeah. So thank you again, Bernie.
Thanks a lot.
Appreciate it.
Awesome.
So we've turned the hot tub up on its side. It's all skirted. I want to insulate the bottom because my theory, I'm not sure if it's correct or not, but my theory is that the cold comes from the bottom. So you can insulate your sides all you want, but if there's cold coming in from the bottom, then it's going to fill that cavity full of cold air. So we are going to strap the bottom with 2x4, and then we're going to use 1.5 inch insulation. Foil back to insulate the bottom. And it's not much of an R value, but hopefully it helps a little bit. Just finished building a base for our tub. Did a double ply on the outsides, braced up the inside. Stringers are running the opposite way that I insulated the tub, so everything should span itself. Interlocked the corners, screwed them all together 4 different directions so that nothing will twist or come apart. Should be plenty strong once we have it all braced up.
So today we are taking down this big tree that hooks up to the skid steer so it can pull away. There it goes. Timber!
Okay, we had to flip it around so the power panel was on the right side. Just getting ready to lift it. There we go. A little difficult doing it in this cold of weather, but we're gonna make it happen. So what I've done is I brought this genset back, so when the water truck comes, it's powered up, ready to go. I'm still waiting for the electricians to get here to hook it up, so in the meantime it can be heating and running. Swap over the electrical, and we'll go from there. So here we come. Nice and easy, and we'll get her on there. So when I built the base on this hot tub, not only does it prevent the forks from hitting the tub, it makes it a lot more rigid to move like this. So it works out pretty good. And we set the hot tub on its base, worked perfectly. Water truck's on its way. And in the meantime, we're gonna skirt the bottom of this. I found some PVC wood grain. Water truck is here, filling her up. Beautiful snowy day. What do you think, Kanan? Good. Fill the hot tub. All the hard work's done. Now the fun starts. Beautiful day. Just a little cold. All right, you guys. I'm super excited. It's the real deal reveal. My wife's gonna be home in about a half an hour, and I'm just checking the tub. I'm super excited for her to get in it. I'm gonna show you something really, really quick. It is cold today. It is almost 0 Fahrenheit and minus 17, 18 Celsius. I don't know if you can see that. But I also wanted to show you something else cool. In these vents, I put a thermometer inside the vents so I could check the internal temperature of the cavity to see if that insulation worked or not. I don't know if you can see it, but it's about 30 degrees in there, which is absolutely amazing. My heater pump right now is not even running. That saves on a ton of electricity, and I couldn't be more amped. My wife's gonna be here soon. We're gonna jump in. We're gonna test it out. We can't wait. All right, guys, I think she's home. I think I just heard her pull up. Let's go take a look. See what her reaction is.
Wow.
What do you think?
It looks awesome.
It's all done, ready to go.
I can't wait to get in. It's so cold.
All right, it's ready to go. Let's take a look at it. So I just put this bench here for now because we don't have steps made yet. Let's check the temperature, see what it's at. Ooh, it's nice and steamy. 104. What do you think, babe?
I think it's amazing. I can't wait to go in and have our first tub.
Well, let's get in it because it is cold outside. So let's try it out.
All this hard work. Yay!
Let's go. So the big question everybody's asking is, was it worth it? Was the used hot tub worth it? We're gonna go find out right now. Here we go. What do you think, babe? Is it worth it?
It's totally worth it.
How does it feel in there?
It feels amazing.
I think it was worth it. We're gonna go enjoy ourselves.